Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, we have this right here. This is the Amsoil 100% synthetic automatic transmission fluid. I paid $92 for it, including shipping. So that is the most expensive transmission fluid I have ever bought. So based on reviews and on videos online and on the manufacturer website, this is supposed to be the best transmission fluid that money can buy. It's 100% synthetic. So based on those reviews and videos, I'm gonna give it a shot because I have hard shifting in my car, and it's been like that for many years, for over 10 years. I tried this lube guard. I made a video about this. Initially it did work, but after a few days it stopped working. So I took down the video. You might have seen that video. So for me, it didn't work, even though it has some very good reviews online. But I'm gonna try this now. And based on the videos that I've seen online, this stays liquid even in sub-zero temperatures compared to other transmission fluids. So it's very impressive. You can look at the videos. I'm going to show some screenshots. And on the back, there's an experiment that they did with 180,000 miles that they drove in a desert, I believe. So that's 3 times longer than the manufacturer recommended interval. And when they took out the fluid and they tested it, it was beyond, it surpassed the requirements for new transmission fluid. So that's very impressive. So let's go to the garage. Okay, folks, so we have reached the end of this review, and the verdict is that I don't feel any difference, any improvement in performance from using the Amsoil automatic transmission fluid in this car. So I spent $92 and I cannot tell the difference in shifting or performance or acceleration or anything like that. So that is my verdict. It did not, I regret spending $92 on this transmission fluid. Plain and simple. So I'm starting to doubt some of those reviews that I've seen online where they claim that you can feel the difference and it drives better than new, blah, blah, blah. One guy even said that the shifter would move easier just for putting this transmission fluid in there, and that the car ran better, and there was all kinds of improvements, and they noticed it right away the moment they drove out of their driveway, blah, blah, blah. So in my case, and those reviews, they just put a pouch, 1 quart. I put a full gallon, of the oil, and it makes no difference. So I have tried different fluids, and I tried the Valvoline Max Life, and that's the best one that I believe. And this is all my opinion. Everything I'm saying in this video is my opinion, totally subjective, just my opinion. I'm not stating anything. I'm not saying anything about any company. It's all my opinion. Free speech, that's it. In my opinion, if I were to recommend anybody to get a transmission fluid, I would go for the Valvoline Max Life because I had very good results with it. But that could be subjective because there are temperature variations. As you can see, I'm wearing a jacket. So that could account for the perceived differences between the two. So I'm not 100% sure, but I have the feeling that the Valvoline Max Life is the best transmission fluid that I've used so far. And it's only $25. So remember, this Amsoil transmission fluid is $92. So it's almost a $70 difference. So I'm very leaning towards the Valvoline Max Life as far as recommendations. So overall, I cannot recommend this transmission fluid for $92 as far as performance. Maybe as far as durability, but I cannot test that because I don't have a way of testing it. I would have to drive it 180,000 miles and then do an oil analysis, which I cannot do. So maybe in terms of that, I'm going to leave that aside. I have no idea if it's really going to last you that long, and I'll take their word for it. I'll take Amsoil's word for it. I have no way of verifying or testing that. It's too hard. But as far as performance and shifting and driving it and even horsepower, I have not seen any change with this really expensive fluid. And also, like I said, there's a lot of videos on YouTube and elsewhere, Facebook, where they claim all kinds of, improvements that I just cannot replicate. So that is my verdict. So it's bad news for me and bad news for you. So I spent $92. I basically threw away $92. But that's my opinion. So I would recommend that you don't do that. Just go for the Valvoline Max Life. It's $25, $30. It depends on where you buy it, but it's about, $30, I would say, including taxes and everything. $30. And I think that's the best way to go. Again, this is all my opinion. I'm not a professional. I'm not a mechanic. I'm not an expert. I don't have a PhD in anything. I'm just a regular guy. I put that fluid in here. It did nothing. So thank you for watching. Subscribe and thumbs up.